Welcome, seekers riding the cosmic wave. If this reading landed in your feed, February 2026 energy pulled you here. Aquarius solar eclipse mid-month hits hard. Annular ring of fire, new beginnings, radical resets. Eclipse squares Uranus for electric surprises, sudden shifts, hidden truths exploding out. Aquarius rules detachment, innovation, collective vibes. Perfect for old connections resurfacing unexpectedly and money flowing in unconventional ways. No random timing. If X thoughts linger or cash feels close, cards say eclipse power brings both. They want you back, wealth signs flash, breathe deep, ground yourself. Question: how does eclipse energy bring them back? What wealth signs prove abundance in February? Deck shuffled with focus on eclipse revelations, past pull, current obsession, trigger, incoming return/wealth, outcome. 5 cards: eclipse past energy on connection/money, current hidden pull, trigger for return/breakthrough, incoming action, outcome and signs. First card: past energy, 2 of Cups reversed, harmony disrupted. Past bond had deep emotional exchange, mutual attraction, soul recognition. Reversed shows imbalance, miscommunication, unmet needs, separation. Eclipse energy revives this. Old cups refill with nostalgia, regret. They remember the connection's magic, feel the void now. Past sets, stage for return. Unfinished business pulls strong. Second card: current hidden pull, the lovers reversed, choice lingering. They're at crossroads internally, heart versus logic, old love versus new path. Reversed means misalignment, temptation, or guilt over past decisions. Eclipse in Aquarius amps detachment, yet highlights what was lost. Hidden obsession, they weigh reaching out, replay scenarios, feel magnetic draw. Current energy, want you back, but fear vulnerability. Obsession builds quietly. Third card: trigger for return/breakthrough, Knight of Swords, fast mental charge. Eclipse square, Uranus fuels impulsive thoughts, sudden clarity, I can't ignore this anymore. Trigger, racing mind, bold decision, direct communication urge. Knight cuts through hesitation, they act quick. For wealth, sharp ideas hit, new hustle, trade, opportunity. Trigger combines love/money. Emotional push leads to action. Abundance follows alignment. Fourth card: incoming action, Page of Cups. Gentle messenger arrives. Emotional, intuitive outreach. Text, DM, voice note with vulnerability. Thinking about you, apology or memory share. Page brings creative, heartfelt move. Eclipse adds quirky twist, unexpected timing, innovative way. For wealth, small but promising sign, new offer, payout, idea paying off. Incoming, soft return plus financial spark in February. Fifth card: outcome and advice. 10 of Pentacles, legacy abundance, long-term security, family/wealth harmony, enjoying fruits. Outcome: reunion potential leads to stable connection or closure. Money builds to lasting flow. Eclipse resets for better, release old, welcome aligned. Advice: stay open but detached. Don't chase, mirror energy, build your empire quietly. Wealth compounds when you value self. Together, disrupted bond, 2 of Cups reversed. Fuels current choice struggle, lovers reversed. Fast trigger, Knight of Swords, brings gentle outreach, Page of Cups. Path to lasting abundance, 10 of Pentacles. Eclipse power exposes hidden want-back energy, delivers wealth signs through sudden shifts. What they want you back looks like in February. Sudden memories flood them. They check your profiles often. Songs/places trigger regret. Dreams of reunion hit vivid. Gut tells them, reach out now. Shocking wealth signs in February, unexpected small payments stack, viral moment or collab offer, old investments spike, dreams show gold/coins/luxury. Gut screams, this is the one. New apps/tools pay quick, bonuses/refunds appear. Lack mindset fades fast, repeating 888/1111 numbers. Universe confirms nonstop. Extended advice for eclipse month. One focused action daily. Content, outreach, trade. Release old attachments. Visualize eclipse burning blocks. Affirm, eclipse brings aligned love and wealth. Track wins big/small. Momentum explodes. Cold mindset, hungry, grateful, no emotion swings. Innovate online, Aquarius loves it. Diversify streams fast, network detached, celebrate quietly, stay hungry. Affirmation, eclipse power clears my path. They return if meant. Wealth flows freely, abundantly. February aligns me with truth, love, riches. So it is. If this hit soul deep, like, subscribe, bell on. Comment, eclipse power to claim, drop sign or focus. Next, reading yours. More returns, money surges, shifts. Thanks for joining. Stay aligned. Eclipse magic works fast.